Turmeric. You've seen it everywhere, right? That bright golden spice has totally blown up, moving from ancient medicine right into our daily wellness routines. So many of us are starting our day with golden milk or a turmeric shot, thinking we're doing something great for our bodies. But with all this hype, you have to wonder, is that daily cup of turmeric really safe for everyone? Or could it, just maybe, be doing more harm than good? Well, the answer isn't as simple as you'd think. So let's get into it. We're going to break down the real benefits, the right way to use it, and the critical warnings that you absolutely need to hear. So first things first, what exactly is this stuff? Turmeric is actually a root, and it's part of the same family as ginger. It's been a staple in traditional medicine, especially in India, for literally thousands of years. But the real magic isn't in the root itself. No, it's hiding in one very powerful compound inside. And that compound is called curcumin. This is the star of the show, the powerhouse that does all the heavy lifting. Curcumin is what gives turmeric that incredible color, but way more importantly, it's the active ingredient that's responsible for pretty much all of its amazing health benefits. So when we talk about how great turmeric is, what we're really talking about is curcumin. Okay, its number one claim to fame has got to be its incredible anti-inflammatory power. You know, chronic inflammation is linked to so many health issues, and curcumin is like a natural firefighter, helping to cool all that down. That's exactly why it's so popular for people dealing with joint pain or for athletes looking to help their muscles recover.
It's also a huge friend to your gut. Turmeric helps your body produce more bile, which is essential for breaking down fats in your food. And for a lot of people, the result is simple: less bloating, less gas, and just an all-around happier digestive system.
And of course, we can't forget about the immune system. Curcumin actually has antibacterial and antiviral properties, so that warm cup of turmeric tea can be a fantastic ally, especially during cold and flu season, giving your body's defenses a nice little boost. So, we know it's good for us, but here's a crucial question. Are you using it correctly? This is where so many people go wrong. It's not just about drinking it, it's about drinking the right amount at the right time.
Now, listen up, because this is so important. With turmeric, the idea that more is better is just plain wrong. The safe and effective dose is actually pretty small, just 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of the powder per day. If you go over that, it can seriously backfire and lead to an upset stomach, nausea, or even acid reflux.
Timing matters too. If you drink it in the morning on an empty stomach, it's fantastic for kicking off your body's detox and digestion processes. But if you have it at night, maybe in some warm milk, it's much better for tackling inflammation and helping you get a good night's sleep. The key here? Just pick one time and stick with it. You really shouldn't be drinking it multiple times a day. Okay, get ready, because we're about to get to the single most important part of this whole explainer. You could be doing everything else right, the perfect dose, the perfect time, but if you miss this one little trick, you might as well be pouring it down the drain. See, here's the catch with curcumin. Our bodies are terrible at absorbing it. Just awful. On its own, most of it just passes right through your system without ever getting a chance to work its magic. So how on earth do we fix that?
The answer is in a super simple kitchen staple that can boost your body's ability to absorb curcumin by an absolutely mind-blowing 2,000%. No, that is not a typo. 2,000%. This is the difference between getting a tiny benefit and unlocking the full power of the spice. And the big secret is black pepper. That's it. A compound in black pepper called piperine is what makes this miracle happen. So when you're making your turmeric water, that little pinch of black pepper isn't just for taste. It's the most critical, non-negotiable ingredient in the whole drink.
All right, now we have to get serious and come back to that original question, is it safe for everyone? Because while turmeric is natural, you have to remember that it's also powerful medicine. And for some people, it can be downright risky. Please listen to this very carefully, because this part is non-negotiable. If you are pregnant, if you have gallstones or stomach ulcers, or if you take blood-thinning medication, you must talk to your doctor before making turmeric a daily habit. It can cause serious complications with these conditions. Your safety always comes first. I think this quote really just says it all. Turmeric isn't a magic pill that's going to fix everything overnight. The benefits come from being consistent, using the right dose, and of course, adding that all-important pinch of black pepper. It works slowly, but when you use it correctly, it works deeply.
So where does that leave us? Is turmeric some kind of ancient miracle medicine, or is it just another overhyped modern wellness myth? Well, it seems the answer is somewhere in the middle. It is an incredibly powerful tool, but only if you understand how to use it correctly and safely. The power isn't just in the spice. It's in knowing how to unlock it.